Hey folks, you folks asked for the entire dimensions. That matches nicely with my progress. Actually, I tinkered some bigger objects, or one bigger object at now. I need some frames for ideas. Let's check the dimensions. You see in red I wanted more harmony. So the spaceship has 1, 1.6 and 2.6 as sizes. Probably I bend the rule later for cockpit and other cool stuff. That is a new big part, the connection in the ship. Grow inside and to flying out. Before the entrance is the place where we can shooting out the hypersleep chambers. The carpool has grown. Besides the transporter and the attack aircraft is the new one, a drone. Simple and cool. This gate needs later a labeling. Super near behind the gate is the connection to the back spaceship area, the warehouse. I should tinker another gate for that. After that, the drone starting rail. It's super hard VIP, but you see the drones come from below with some sort of starting helper that the drone get enough speed. After that, the help device come back and stored that beside that. But it's work in progress. I should make an animation from that later. And if we follow the rails further, is another way to get inside. That's connected the transporter store and the medicine deck. Actually, the ordinary entrance. Finally, the way out. The total length is not yet clear because the shape, but something like that. Then thanks so much for watching and make sure you have a great day.